In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the Google Chrome background with your own custom picture. Let's begin. First, open Google Chrome on your PC or Mac. Now open a new tab. In the bottom right corner, click on the Customize Chrome button or the pencil icon. If you don't see the Customize Chrome button, click on Change Theme instead. Now select Upload an image. Choose the picture you want to use as your Google Chrome background. Once selected, Chrome will automatically apply the image to your homepage. And that's it, your custom background is now set. Keep in mind that changing the background image may also change the tab colors and overall Chrome theme colors. If you want to use a different color scheme, click the Customize Chrome button again. Then, choose your preferred color from the available color options. Now, if you ever want to remove the custom background image, simply open Customize Chrome again. Click on Change Theme, and then select Default Chrome. This will restore the original Chrome background and theme. And that's it. You've successfully changed and customized your Google Chrome background.